All of our patio furniture at the back was covered and they're completely thrown around. Oh my goodness. We were not expecting snow in April like this. This is crazy. You want to go out in the snow, honey? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. Wow.
I broke your tank.
You broke the brush? Oh no! It was a special ergonomic one, you know? Oh crap. How are we gonna step over these? Damn.
But yeah, hard time.
It's fine? Okay. Should I get the girl? Chunks fell from the roof. Yeah, we don't own a snow shovel because we usually have a snow removal service for the driveway, except today they didn't come for some reason. I think it's because it's in the middle of spring and they might have just put the trucks away, because this caught us by surprise. It's hard to step on. Oh wow. Ah! Okay, these ice chunks these ice chunks that fell from the roof broke the back wiper of our GL.
Well, there's probably a simple fix. I just can't do this right now. This just happened now.
This, no, I was in my room, no, I was in my closet earlier and I heard chunks of things falling from the roof.
Yeah, because it's melting. So this
That's
is
okay, we'll
where
just
I'm
take it
standing.
in, yeah. The official date of spring is March 20th. This is a month into spring. It's the middle of April and we have just gone through a 3-day snowstorm. This is Canada for you. Welcome to Canada. This is just crazy. Right when I was putting all of the winter jackets away, this is what happens, you guys. The snow has been falling in chunks off the roof. Chunks, and it actually, oh my god, it dented. Look at this big dent.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
You can move the car forward.
Back wiper snapped off because of the chunks of snow that fell. But I just noticed from this angle, this big dent. Oh my gosh. This just cost us a couple of $1,000. Well, now I know not to back up the car so close to the roof because this is what can happen even in the middle of spring. I'm gonna leave a message for my next door neighbor because I see her car is parked in a similar position. So let's see if I can save her car at least. Oh, it looks hilarious. And I want to touch the snow. Wow. Is it cold?
No, please.
Wow.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. Look, Daddy's car is stuck. Daddy's car is stuck. Oh.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
You're doing forward?
Forward.
Forward.
No, it's stuck. Stuck.
I can just get it on the road.
No, it's moving back, guys.
Yeah, it's real bad. Forward, huh?
Okay, okay. Going, going.
Keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on.
Keep pushing, guys. Ah!
Hold on. Yeah, it's just sliding.
I moved my car out of the way and we're still stuck, and now more so in the street.